This is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon on this slightly rainy day, but there's hope for tomorrow. We'll see sunshine come back. I want to walk you around this 2019 Navion D model today. This is built by Winnebago. It's built there in the Midwest at site. It's on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. This one, as you can see, has nice exterior colors, electric awning, storage. On the left, there's your inverter. So you can power your TVs. Water heater. That's a tankless water heater. LP generator, 3600 watt awning. Additional storage. This floor plan, one of the things it has is pretty nice. Got some storage back here in the corner. So we walk around the outside, we'll pass the ladder to the roof. Nice clean rear end. Here we have our service center. Floor notch, so you can drop your power cord out without having to do a lot of work. At the bottom right there, you can also see the stabilizing jacks. Those are electric stabilizing jacks. Allow you to cut down some of the movement as you're camping. Long wall slide out, Swin Tech. As we come around, we have a little more storage here underneath here. So this one is a great storage in terms that it has a pass-through in the middle of it. So if you have a long item, you can slide it in there and take it with you. As we mentioned, this is built on the Mercedes chassis. Beautifully done driver passenger area. Both these chairs will swivel. They have cushions, filler cushions, so you can raise the height, so they're very comfortable to sit in when they're swiveled. They raise and lower, the back tilts. It also has a back support in it, so very nicely done. Diesel unit, good mileage going down the road, very quiet, nice power. As we look back towards here, now this is a very unique coach. This is a D model, and it has a Murphy bed, which I'll show you in a moment. But one of the wonders of this is look how long the galley is and how open the window is. So when you're sitting over here, what a great view you have. Some of the quality things that Winnebago does that sets them apart. Look at the latch. Look how nice and firm that is. This door will not come open unless you pull the latch. TV can open and swivel. And again, it has a latch here in the middle. So it has good storage behind, plus you can adjust the TV angle if you'd like. Underneath the galley, nice storage. Beautiful laminate curved doors. Look at the amount of drawers in this unit. This floor plan has great storage along with the Murphy bed. The Murphy bed is very unique. And these legs pop up. You press the button. Bed comes down to create the bed. Nice walk around area. It is on slats, as you can see here. So very comfortable sleeping. Look at the nice large size of this bed. To put it away, reverse the process. Press the button. It goes up. You release the legs. Now you have a sofa. You can use it as a sofa. You can lay down to sleep. Of course, the dinette itself, four-person dinette, has the ability to drop down and become a bed. Of course, with Winnebago, they build this in-house. Look how nice this opens to the storage. So this D model has a nice wardrobe back here. Kind of wardrobe pantry storage area. Your controls are up above. Your solar, this has two 100-watt solar panels on it. Hold it, think heat, generator start, inverter control, and your microwave. Storage up above, nice deep storage. Norcold refrigerator. Back in here in the bathroom, again on the left, a nice wardrobe, and then toilet and lavy. The Navion is made up of little things that work very nice. So for instance, one of the things is, if you notice this light right here, this is the night setting, and this is the day setting. So you get to pick how bright it is. One of the other things they do is right here. This little light right here. So there's your night light. And there's your reading lamp. And of course up here is a great place for sleeping. Or storage, depending on how many people you want to take with you. So again, this is a 24D, a 2019 Navion. Love to take a test drive with you, especially on this warm, sunny day that we're having. Would fire up the heat and go down the road and get warm back up. So give us a call, please. Guaranty RV, Dennis.Girod in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you very much.